When it comes to the most valued home security camera, Wyze has always been a reliable one because of its surprisingly affordable price range and plenty of pretty useful perks. And with the release of the new Wyze Cam Pan V3, this camera is looking even better. Now, how good is this new one compared to its predecessor Wyze Cam Pan V2? Let's find out in this comparison video. Starting from the design, first let's just appreciate the Wyze Cam Pan V3's seamless aesthetic with a polycarbonate plastic body and white matte finish, which looks absolutely fantastic. They also got really creative with the design. Two square-shaped boxes stacked on top of each other, giving it a mini robotic look. You can either place it on a secured flat surface or mount it anywhere around the house, which has access to all the corners of your room. Or you could use it as a CCTV camera to get a really nice view of your backyard and doorway. Either way, this camera is suitable for both uses. On top of that, it also gives you a pretty cool random sticker out of the box, which definitely goes perfectly with its aesthetic. On the other hand, Wyze Cam Pan V2 got a more traditional look compared to the latest one. This home security camera is specifically designed for indoor use. Although it looks a bit bulkier, it does have pretty decent aesthetics compared to other home cameras on the market, considering it came out much earlier than the latest one. Unlike the V3 model, this one does not seem to have the option to mount on the wall, so just place the V2 on any flat surface with proper view access in your room and it'll be all ready to use. So yes, aesthetically, the new Wyze Cam Pan V3 is truly incredible, all thanks to its new flexible design structure, which looks lovely no matter where you put it. As we jump into the internal specifications, Wyze Cam Pan V3 is fully IP65 certified water resistant, so even in the worst weather condition, your camera will not struggle at all. Apart from that, the most interesting feature of this camera is its flexible 360-degree panning and 180-degree tilting support, which ensures an even better viewing angle. As for the camera, it comes with 1080p resolution including 120 degrees of field of view and up to 8 times zoom-in lens. The camera also has 4 IR LEDs night vision mode, which is capable of delivering decent picture quality even in the dark. Additionally, it also comes with a few other additional features such as two-way audio, auto motion tracking, and privacy mode. Turning it on will cause the lens to point straight down and it will automatically shut itself off. For storage, it supports up to 256 GB microSD card, and if you want, you can also get the annual subscription-based Cam Plus feature as well. It will give you access to other features such as unlimited cloud storage and smart notifications with people, packages, vehicles, and pet detection. In comparison, the V2 version does not have any weather protection since it's completely designed for indoor usage. Although it does come with a 360-degree panning support, the tilt here is not flexible as the latest one, but it's flexible enough to cover a full 360 view of your room. Same as the latest one, the V2 is also equipped with a 1080p recording camera including a 120-degree field of view and 8 times zoom in, which delivers similar 20 fps daylight and 15 fps nighttime recording. So yes, in terms of the camera, we can say both of them are pretty much the same. Not only that, but this one also provides full 1080p colored night vision, which is honestly a really great feature to have. In addition to its camera, the V2 model also comes with a few other similar features such as two-way audio and motion tracking, but it does lack the privacy mode from the latest model. Additionally, it supports a maximum of 32 GB of microSD card, and yes, it also supports the Cam Plus subscription feature, which will give you access to cloud memory and other exclusive features. As we can see, in terms of the specs and features, there aren't a lot of differences except for the higher memory capacity and the new privacy mode on the V3 model. So that being said, let's jump to the conclusion right away, which is the price tag. The latest Wyze Cam Pan V3 comes at a shockingly low price range, which is $33.99, while the V2 model costs $43.99. In the end, if you're looking for the most value for your money, then you should obviously get the latest Wyze Cam Pan V3 because it costs less and at the same time, it features an interesting design layout including a few other additional features as well. So, that was all about our today's comparison of the Wyze Cam Pan V3 versus Wyze Cam Pan V2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.